What is aerospace engineering? Aerospace engineering is the primary field of engineering concerned with the development of aircrafts and spacecrafts. It is a type of engineering that requires skills and knowledge to design, manufacture and maintain crafts, missiles, etc. Mechanical engineering plays a huge role for covering the wide range of topics like drafting, robotics, electricity, etc. Two types of aerospace engineering. Aeronautical engineering. Engineers in this field are associated with the crafts which fly in the sky and stay within Earth's atmosphere. For example, airplanes, helicopters, etc. Astronautical engineering. Engineers in this field are associated with the crafts which goes in the space and stay outside of the Earth's atmosphere. For example, satellite, missiles, etc. Understanding of the profession. Aerospace engineers design aircrafts, spacecraft, missiles, weapons systems, helicopters, etc. In addition, they are also responsible for maintaining, assembling and ensuring that they function properly. Some specialize in other important equipment such as air guidance systems, guidance control systems, etc. Some duties of an aerospace engineer include developing new technologies for use in spacecraft, aviation and defense systems, designing, assembling and testing of aircraft and aerospace products, examine damage or malfunction in an equipment to find a possible reason and offer solution, assessing cost and feasibility of new projects proposed to be undertaken, determining quality standard acceptance criteria for design methods, sustainment after delivery and completion dates, evaluating that the project or the product meets engineering principles, safety norms, customer requirements and environmental challenges, manufacturing aircraft and individual components in coordination with the design team. Specialization fields for the profession. Commercial aerospace engineers. These engineers build aircraft that can stand the test of time, the threat of climate change and increased delay at airports. Both problems stemming from too many planes in the sky are forcing designers back to the drawing board. Spacecraft designers. Spacecraft designers who know and understand aerospace engineering are needed to help countries and companies get their dreams of space travel literally off the ground. Because of the tremendous risks involved, many spacecraft designers spend most of their time working on supercomputer simulations. Engineering, science and data processing managers. As aerospace engineering shifts more of its research and development to simulations running on supercomputers, a new breed of data processing managers has emerged to make these simulations more efficient and more effective. This specialist can make many contributions to help products reach in the market. Inspectors and compliance officers. The safety of passengers and people on the ground depends on the quality work of aerospace engineers and their teams. Inspectors work for government safety boards as well as for private companies. In fact, aerospace manufacturers employ many in-house inspectors in order to detect potential faults or violations before an official inspection takes place. Mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers design, research and develop tools, engines and machines, including many of the main and peripheral systems used in aerospace engineering. These systems can be as enormous as a rocket propulsion engine or as small as a warning sensor in a space shuttle. Drafters. Drafters create the technical drawings and specification sheets that are used by production and manufacturing personnel to build spacecraft, aircraft and other vehicles. These drawings must be incredibly detailed, encompassing every facet of the craft and including views from all sides. Skills required for the profession. Aerospace engineering is a highly specialized technological field that requires overall excellence in mathematical, calculative and observational skills. Research in this field takes years to be completed, thus, resilience and persistence are important. Here are some skills which you would require to become a successful aerospace engineer. Excellent academic background in science stream. Ability to work in a team and be able to lead a team. Creativity and innovativeness in product designing. Ability to work under pressure and for long hours. Strong analytical and mathematical skills. Physical stamina. Eye for detail. Scientific acumen. Aerospace companies in India. Public companies: ISRO, India Space Research Organisation. NALD, National Aeronautical Lab. ADA, Aeronautical Development Agency. DRDL, Defense Research and Development Laboratories. HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Lab. You can even go to Indian Air Force and Indian Navy via giving CDs and AFC-AT exams. Private companies, L&T, Airbus, Air India, Mahindra, Tata Advanced System, Taneja Aerospace and Aviation Limited, Pawan Hans Helicopter, Mahindra Aerospace, Boeing. Salary of an aerospace engineer. In India, the average salary of an aerospace engineer as a fresher can range between 4 to 10 lakhs per year. ISRO is one of the dream organization for Indian aerospace engineers. ISRO recruit aerospace engineers in their research and development sector. An aerospace engineer's salary in ISRO can range from 46,000 Indian rupees to 76,000 Indian rupees. A day in a life of an aerospace engineer. The average work weeks for an aerospace engineer last between 36 and 40 hours, which means that they need to be deliberate about their projects. The job of an aerospace engineer is a combination of routine scientific work and creativity in solving problems within the industry. Aerospace engineers can expect to spend their average day working on a new aircraft, missile system, or spacecraft in terms of its design and testing. The variety in the average workday, month and in a year is enough to keep any aerospace engineer interested in their work. 1 week, an engineer may be working in a team to develop a commercial airline that is capable of holding passengers as per their client's need. Another week, engineers may be tasked with working on an effective missile system meant to stave off military fighters.